Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update video playback settings with ExoPlayer, full guide step by step clearly. To update video playback settings with ExoPlayer, begin by ensuring you have the latest version of ExoPlayer integrated into your project. Open your project in the preferred Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Locate the Java or Kotlin file where your ExoPlayer instance is being created. Next, find the section of code where you create the ExoPlayer instance. To modify playback settings, you will typically work with the player object. Add the necessary imports for the player settings you wish to adjust. For instance, to change the playback speed, use the setPlaybackParameters method. Ensure you create a new playback parameters object with your desired speed. If you aim to enable looping, call setRepeatMode. Set it to player.repeat_mode_1 for a single video loop or player.repeat_mode_all for looping all videos. To control audio focus, implement an audio attributes object. Use the setAudioAttributes method on your player instance to apply these attributes. If you want to enable buffering controls, adjust the load control settings. Create a custom load control object if you need to fine-tune buffer sizes. Apply this load control instance when initializing your ExoPlayer. To modify track selection parameters, create an instance of default track selector. Use track selection parameters a builder to specify your track selection options. Apply your selection parameters to the default track selector to update the player's behavior. Once all settings are configured, prepare your media source as usual. Initialize the player with the modified settings and prepare to play your content. Finally, test the playback to ensure all settings are applying correctly. Make adjustments as needed based on the user experience. And that concludes the guide on updating video playback settings with ExoPlayer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.